Hey, this is Sean from the Unexpected Traveler. I'm here at the New York City Auto Show, and I want to show you what's going on today. Come vibe with me. Oh man, look at this. Here we are. We have the DeLorean from the Back to the Future movie, Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Great Scott. The one thing about the New York City Auto Show, once you leave, buddy, that's it. No coming back. This car right here, I love this car. V8 supercharged power, 6.2 liter engine. And let me show you my favorite part right here. A Raptor getting eaten by a TRX. That's a nice little Easter egg.
Looks the same and everything's the same as far as horsepower. It's just that they've added all the bells and whistles that you could have on it. So it's right around 107, 108,000.
Okay. And it's still the same V8 supercharged? That's my favorite thing right here.
I know.
How they have the Raptor getting eaten. Yes. Yes, yes. Where are you traveling from?
Vegas.
Oh, Vegas.
Yeah.
I said that if I ever was to get something like this, it's got to be in red, like a fire truck.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Phenom, this is for you. You said that they wouldn't have the cars that you like at the auto show. And boom. They got a whole section. They got a whole section for you. This whole bottom floor is for you. I came down here just to talk to you, Phenom. This whole section is for you. Nah, this is it. This is a nice sleeper. Look at all of this. And you know Uzi got something like that. Look at that. This is a Lamborghini. Is this a Countach? I believe it's a Countach. Don't front. This is fire. Yeah. Italian cross country, Alpine, Autobahn.
Autobahn, yeah.
And this is Tokyo drifting.
Okay.
Bro, this shit feels like paper, bro.
Right.
Feel it.
It's probably so fast, yeah.
Like feel right here, like the top.
Oh, even. Nah. This shit's probably so fast, it's just so light.
I wanted to know, can I just take a picture for my thumbnail for my YouTube channel? Yeah, it's a little bit disappointing that we can't get into everything. Yeah. But other than that, it's a great experience. Everybody should come and take a look at the New York City Auto Show here at the Jacob Javits Center. They got something for everybody here. Look at this. Look at this. This is not for me, but it's fire. That's how you know it's fast. They don't even have a radio. Oh, okay. Oh, you like all of them. Yo, it's cool seats, and my back is freezing. The bigger version is the LC 500. See, 4.4, 0 to 60. So this car makes maybe, I think it's, I believe, slightly faster, but it might be a little bit heavier.
I got out. I forgot that it doesn't have a.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up?
It is.
What do you do? What do you film?
It's a travel vlog. It's for traveling.
Oh, you don't live in New York.
No, I live in New York.
Oh, you do.
Yeah. So I traveled a couple places I've been to. I have like maybe 5 videos up right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You trying to get tickets?
Yeah, of course.
Good luck. Michelle's got a new subscriber.
All right, thanks, man. 2, nice, nice. Listen, man, I didn't forget about the little people. I ain't forget about boss Ricky. Nah, this is nice. This shit is big. It's bigger than the other one. This is their most luxury car, the Grand Wagoner. They always had twin turbos?
That's new for this year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They never had a supercharge?
Not in the Wagoner. We had the 6.4 Hemi V8.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's nice.
Okay.
What's starting?
Starts at 88,000. This one, as it says here, is 118.
Woo!
Yeah, this one's fully loaded.
Yeah, looks nice. The back seats is bigger than my car. Oh shit, I forgot how to close it. Oh! Ah, this is way too big. Pause. Oh! This is the new Demon. Ah, come on, they gotta let you sit in this. 1/4 mile in 8 seconds. Oh, this is it. This is the new electric charger. They don't let you get in. That's the only bad part. Look at that. It look good.
It'd be nice to be inside it.
Yeah. Oh, what about this for you? Nah, I think that's just the interior of.
This? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm like, son, what? What? Oh,
The flash signal is crazy. I didn't even know this moved. I almost fell. King of the world. Here we are. In the Subaru section, good color. It sits up nice. Got a nice sunroof. I'm not a big fan of Subaru, but this is a nice car. This is a good car, and it's gonna last. Especially when you're on the Outback. Oh yeah, fire. Big Brembo brakes. Oh man, look at that. See, this is what I need. Lamborghini. This is what I need for my car collection. To pull the hose. You see, they don't let you get in this. They ain't letting you get in $8 million cars. All right. This is my cousin Ricky's section. He like these type of cars. You know, he think he Fast and the Furious. It's not open, right? Big Nissan Brembo. Woo! Yeah, I'm about to jump inside of this. Oh, the bolstering in this seats are crazy. Nah, you're gonna love this, bro. This is for you. This seats is too bucket for me. It's not good for fat men. How you feeling? How you feeling? Mustang 5.0 convertible. I feel good. Where the hoes at? The final thoughts on the show is that I had a great time. All the cars was good. The only downside is that you can't get in a lot of shows, but I would recommend everybody come out to the auto show. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's your favorite car at the auto show or your favorite car in general. I'll be answering questions. Until next time.